Hey there, it's Laura here from iHeart Planners, and I am here at my very favorite store. You probably guessed it, the Container Store, and I'm going to take you around and show you my very favorite organizing products from here. And if you like this and you love organizing like I do, be sure to subscribe to our channel because we have loads more inspiration coming your way. Alright, so while it's no secret that I love pretty much everything at the Container Store, this is actually hands down my #1 favorite. If I had to live without everything else at the Container Store and just have one thing, it would be this. These are so incredibly versatile. So first of all, they have medium, the really skinny small, which is great for like magazines and papers, a little bit bigger, the large, and then they actually have a really huge extra large size. In this size, this is both a pro and a con to me. You'll see that it sticks out a little further than all of the other sizes. The reason that they did that, at first it seems a little weird, but the reason they did that is so that you can fit like hanging files across this way, so you can fit letter size paper across this way and still organize pages in it. So it's nice, although it can be a little bit annoying on a shelf. If you want to keep them lined up, you have to kind of fuss with it a little bit more. But these are just ridiculously versatile. I have these in my laundry room, I use them in my office, I use them in my car, like my kids' toys. It's in between the two seats in the front, and my kids' toys are in here. So I just find so many uses for these, and they're clear, so they kind of go with everything. So this is one of my faves, and it's one of the more affordable things at the Container Store. The small size is only $4, the medium size is $5, so you can really stock up, and they do occasionally go on sale, so keep an eye out. All right, so another favorite from here are these Bisley file drawers. This one, they have different sizes. These have 5, comes in all different colors. This is one of my personal favorite colors. I love how thin these drawers are, so it is perfect for storing paper in the office. And what makes these really cool is you can get these inserts that were built for it, so it fits right in. This one is just great for little tiny knickknacks, paper clips, random stuff like that. And then they have this size, which is like good for slightly bigger items, and this fits photos perfectly or other bigger items. And then you can just fit so much in a really organized manner in one of these 5 drawers. Another favorite of mine from the Container Store is the entire Elfa system, basically. So they have these wall hanging systems. These shelves are easily adjustable. You can configure it whatever kind of drawers you want, whatever sizes. It's very customizable, easy to move. And I have this in my master closet. I use it as my desk system. It's extremely versatile. I've seen it in pantries and other things. They have different colors. And let me give you a little tip. Every February it goes on sale for 30% off. So if you want to stock up then, it's a great time to redo an area.
Okay, one of my favorite things are these fridge bins. They come in so many different shapes and sizes, so you really can configure them in like whatever fridge style that you have. You'd be amazed at how much room you can actually save in your fridge just by using some simple organization tools like this. So there's one like for eggs. You can put soda or pop in some things. They even have some things down here that are for your freezer, and you can put different items in the freezer bins. So really, you can use any of these for any needs, and you'll save a ton of room in your fridge while you're at it.
One of my favorite items from the Container Store is these pop-in trays, and really anything from the pop-in line. I love how bright and cheerful it is, and this is a very sturdy acrylic, and these are perfect for storing pages. So I have like my Sweet Life Planner half-size pages that I can print on. They're in one of these, and then my regular paper is in another one of these, and it's stacked up, and it's just super handy to grab, and it looks super cute.
Okay, I love these stacking trays here at the Container Store. The best part about these is that they have adjustable dividers. So at home, I use this like for my makeup, and it's great because you can put, all like your little pieces in these little dividers, but if you have something larger, you can easily take out one of these dividers and make a bigger space. So it's perfect for all of those little items that might be different odd and end sizes.
So I love these Made Smart bins because they are just super quality. A thick acrylic you can see through, a nice rubber lining here so stuff doesn't slide around. And they also have rubber feet that prevents them from sliding around in your drawer. And as you can see, they have a whole bunch of different sizes that you can mix and match and configure to fit your drawers.
I love these tea organizers. There's a couple different options that work really well. So this has like double-sided, you can put your tea bags in here, which I love, a great way to organize if you have like a lot of different flavors. But I also really like this one, which you can put basically in any drawer and organize your tea as well. So instead of having all of your tea bags loosely kind of floating around in your drawer, you can just put them right in here and have them all nice and organized.
This is one of my favorites from the Container Store. It's one of the most versatile items that they have. It is in the kitchen section, but it spins like this, and you can see how it's divided. So the sky's the limit. I mean, you can put coffees in here, kitchen items in here, office items, makeup items, and it's acrylic, so you can see through it, and it's really sturdy. Alright, so those are just 10 of our favorites from the Container Store. If you can't tell, I kind of love this store. If you love organizing too, be sure to hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends, because we've got lots more organizing inspiration coming your way.